Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the lock screen password on an Android device. So let's get straight into it. So first open the settings app and scroll down and find the option labeled as privacy and security. Then tap on it, and then from here select lock screen passwords. So you will be prompted to enter your current password, pattern, or PIN, and after entering it, you'll see a list of options for your new lock method. So in this example, I will choose numeric password again. So I'll tap that option. So from here, you'll probably won't see it on my recording, but basically you just have to enter your new password and then just press continue. You will need to re-enter the password to confirm it, and after that, it's done. So that's basically how you can change the lock screen password on your Android device. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.